Hello people around the world, this is Marlon, and for today's video guys, we will be reacting sa bagong music video ni, of course, na aking kami Ochi sa MNL48. MNL48, Sheki. Actually, medyo hesitant nga ako mag-react ngayon kay Sheki kasi last time, that was my very first copyright strike. Pero kasi yun yung video na kinunan ko, I think sa P-pop ko, yung sa Tell Me niya. Pero yung mga reactions ko naman, hindi naman siya na copyright strike. Parang copyright lang. Pero yung copyright strike talaga, kinabahan talaga ako guys. Kasi alam nyo naman, kapag strike na talaga, there would be chances na mabura yung channel mo. But wala lang, ang masakit pa dito is it's from Sheki. I mean, sa management ni Sheki, diba? But I respect din naman because it's not my video anyways, diba? I mean, it's not my song or original something. So, pero yun, I want to react because of course this is kind of, you know, para sa akin hindi lang naman to for like showing up, magre-react ako kasi kailangan and such. But every reaction that I do, especially sa mga gusto ko like this one kay Sheki, it's a momentum for me. Parang babalikan ko to na wow, nare-react ko na pala to, napakinggan ko na yun, how, diba? Yung parang appreciation mo na rin, diba? So, lalaban ko pa din to. Alright, and at the same time guys, I want to congratulate dahil yay, nag-comeback na sila. Yes, nakaraan lang nasa Cebu po ang MNL48. Though hindi naman ako nakapunta kasi nga ang layo, no? Pero yun, sa mga Cebu na MNL loves, well, finally na-meet nyo na rin ang inyong mga idol, no? So, congratulations for that comeback. Sana tuloy-tuloy na po. And balita ko, no, based sa napanood ko sa kanilang TikTok live na in-announce ni Sheki tsaka ni Jem, no, ay ang 8 single po ay original song. Wow! Ang tanong guys, sino na ang Senbatsu? Kasi marami rin from the 8 single Senbatsu ay nagsigraduate na. So, I believe may mga ipapasok talaga sila na parang ang mga before kasi 23 na lang patas ito parang ganon. So let's see now, but I'm excited about it. And of course for the center, Cole, which is also part of the international subunit na Quadlips. Wow, congratulations Cole for that. And talagang abangan din natin kung ano yung magiging mga projects ni Cole, diba, outside MNL48. But of course part pa rin naman yun sa AKB48 franchise, right? So, wow. So, this is for Good For You. So, ay pansin ko dito, 2 minutes lang din to. So, feeling ko uso talaga to, you know, na mga short music videos lang siya, no? So, let's see. Without further ado, let's react. Napakinggan ko na to, yung music na Good For You, Ganda. Ganda naman ni Bonita, By the way guys, nakita ko siya sa Tabing Ilog the Musical. Gulat talaga ako guys. Pasigaw ako Parang hindi niya boses, no? Ang ganda no? I mean, yung ganda rin boses ni Sheki. Pero I mean, kasi parang, you know, kakaibang genre diba? Ang sexy yung vibes. Oo, ganda niya. Ang cute niya dyan. Gusto ko yung ganyan. Yung straight yung hair niya. Good for you. Good for you. Good for you. Good for you. Ang ganda naman. Oh. Wow. Sabi ko nga kanina, 'di ba, parang hindi ako parang ano whenever I hear that kind of voice ni Sheky, parang minsan naninibago ko kasi 'di ba, parang kilala natin siya na alam mo yun, sweet yung boses, tas dito parang wow, ano 'di ba, nakaka-shock. 'Di ba, but still ang ganda-ganda ni Sheky, Though, medyo simple lang yung music video, pero sayang, I mean, they could have shown more, right? I mean, the story-wise of this song, but of course, still, ang ganda pa din visuals, 'di ba? Visual-wise, talagang nabawi ni Sheky, at even the voice, So, I hope that we can support Good For You, guys, at pakinggan natin siya, at talagang i-stream natin siya, 'di ba? Support Sheky natin. And of course, balita ko, guys, si Sheky rin ay nominated sa P-Pop Awards at sa mga other awards. So, let's see, So, support natin siya, guys. So, there you have it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. And if other Sheky-related or MNO48 contents that you want us to react to, don't forget to comment on our comment section down below. If you're still new to this channel, what do you first subscribe to? Marilize. Until next time, hanggang sa susunod na kabanata. Bye.